November 47 Charlie, runway 26 clear to land, one variable at 6.
26 clear to land, 47 Charlie.
And number 47 Charlie, traffic will hold in position on runway 33.
47 Charlie.
Skies 5326 Burbank Tower.
Skies 5326 rep.
Skies 5326, turn right onto runway 33, back taxi as necessary, runway 33, line up and wait.
Turn on to runway 33, back taxi as necessary, Skywest 5326, line up and wait.
Burbank Tower, show 5826 on the visual, runway 33.
Southwest 2250, right turn, next taxiway, contact ground 123.9, have a good day.
Right turn ground, Southwest 2250, good.
Air Shuttle 5826, Burbank Tower, traffic zone in position, runway 33, continue.
33, continue, Air Show 5826.
Burbank information, Kilo is now turn runways 815, correction 2633 in use, and Burbank altimeter 29er 89er. Police 100, runway 26 on the numbers, clear to land, hold short of 33.
26 on the numbers, clear to land, hold short of 33, please hold on.
November 47 Charlie, go around and turn base for runway 33. You're going to be following a regional jet on a 2-mile final.
47 Charlie going around.
And on 47 Charlie, start your crosswind turn now, please.
Was that a right crosswind for 47 Charlie?
Left crosswind. Left crosswind.
Left crosswind, thank you, 47 Charlie.
Burbank Tower, Twin Star 704 Alpha Bravo over El Monte, looking for a transition to your airspace.
23, clear for takeoff.
33, clear for takeoff, Skywest 6326.
5826, 23, clear to land. Ma'am, out. Air Shuttle 5826, affirmative, runway 33, clear to land.
You off the runway yet?
No, we're going around.
Air Shuttle 5826, roger, climb and maintain 4000, fly runway heading.
What was the altitude?
4000.
4000, Air Show 5826.
Skies 5326, person. Air Shuttle 5826, turn right heading 270. Left 270.
Left 270, Air Show 5826.
Burbank Tower, Twin Star 704 Alpha Bravo, looking for a VFR transition to Van Nuys.
Stand by. Skies 5326, continue on the set.
Continue on the set, Skywest 5326.
Air Shuttle 5826, continue your climb.
Continuing the climb, Air Show 5826.
Air Shuttle 5826, do you have the Embraer Insight 2500 off your right?
Negative, we got an RA, we're complying with it.
Air Shuttle 5826, roger, turn right 30 degrees, left 30 degrees.
Left turn 30 degrees, Air Show 5826.
Skies 5326, contact SoCal 120.4.
123.4, Skywest 5326.
120.4.
04, Skywest 5326. Tower 47 Charlie, I'm sorry, if you just want to give me vectors, I'm going to get out.
November 47 Charlie, do you not want to land anymore?
I would still like to land, if you could take me in 47 Charlie.
November 47 Charlie, runway 33, clear to land.
33, clear to land, 47 Charlie.
Air Shuttle 5826, fly heading 190.
Heading 190, Air Show 5826.
Air Shuttle 5826, contact SoCal on 120.4.
20.4, Air Show 5826.
Number 4 Sierra Charlie 1260 at 9er, gusting to 15, one-way 33, clear to land.
33, clear land, 47 Charlie.
And Tower, Twin Star 704 Alpha Bravo, I know you guys are busy just looking for a VFR transition to the south to Van Nuys.
November 704 Alpha Bravo, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 2989er, squawk 0243.
0243, appreciate it. Thanks, 704 Alpha Bravo.
704 Alpha Bravo, radar contact 6 miles southeast Burbank Airport, state type aircraft, transition to Van Nuys is approved.
Yeah, it's DA42, Diamond DA42 for 704 Alpha Bravo.
Roger.